Hello everyone, welcome to Liminal. To increase wallet security and reduce manual errors, all addresses need to be whitelisted before you can initiate a send transaction to these addresses. This is a one-time exercise and Liminal does a compliance check in the backend to ensure your funds are always protected. To whitelist an address, first log into your Liminal account. On the dashboard on the left-hand side navigation, click on Settings. Now under Policy Management, click on Add. A pop-up will appear. Now under Policy, select Whitelist Address Policy. Now you have an option to select the wallet. Select the wallet in which you want to whitelist this address. Now you have two options, external address and internal address. Choose internal address only when you want to transfer assets to a wallet which is already under Liminal. For all other addresses, use external address. Label is nothing but the name that you want your wallet address to be associated with. Paste the address of the wallet. Now if you see, Liminal has already done a compliance check to check for the authenticity of this address. Click on Next. This screen, you'll see the name that you have given to the wallet address, the address. Click on Confirm. Now, hope you have connected your ledger and Trezor. Click on Sign. Now you'll see a notification that will be sent to your ledger or Trezor devices. Once you sign the transaction on your ledger or Trezor devices, you'll see this screen. Click on Done. Now come to Home page. Now on the home screen, you'll see the policy is pending approval from the other members of the organization. Once the other members approve, this policy will be in effect and you can initiate a send transaction to this said address. Thank you.